How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can add text on image in GIMP. So what I've done is to just open up an image file. So I have chosen this image file that I have right here. And then what you can do is to add a layer. So you could do that by clicking on the layer option, new layer, and from there you could do whatever you want to. But if you want to directly edit out the image from here, you could then click on this option, which is going to be the text tool, drag and drop onto the image where you want to put your text. And basically right after, you could just customize your font, the text size, the pixels, and more. But generally, you could just start typing right away. So let's basically make this a lot smaller. Maybe something like 12 will work. And then let's change the color into something like red. So from there, if we simply draw on our text tool, let's do something like hello. We can then simply see that right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.